Introduction. In the ever-evolving landscape of online opportunities, discovering novel methods to earn money is a pursuit many engage in. One such avenue is the realm of CPA, cost-per-action platforms, where users can earn up to $50 per click. Unlike traditional affiliate marketing, this strategy allows individuals to generate income without relying on product purchases. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the details of this click-to-earn approach, exploring the mechanics of CPA platforms and providing a step-by-step guide to help you maximize your earnings. Understanding CPA platforms. CPA platforms operate on a unique payment model, compensating users for every click and action performed on a designated link. This eliminates the dependency on actual purchases, making it an attractive option for those looking to monetize their online activities. The key advantage lies in the flexibility to click and earn repeatedly, with no imposed limits. More clicks and actions, the higher the potential income. Exploring the platform, PAPlatforms. To embark on this click-to-earn journey, the first step is to explore the platform, PAPlatforms. This website serves as a hub for various companies seeking promoters to click and promote their links. With the potential to earn up to $50 per click, PAPlatforms offers a range of opportunities for individuals to monetize their online presence. Navigating through the platform, users can find diverse offers, some even boasting payouts in the hundreds of dollars. Getting started, choosing an offer, and joining the network. Upon entering PAPlatforms, users can browse through the plethora of offers available. It's crucial to select an offer aligned with your interests or target audience. For instance, if you choose a hair growth product, delve into the offer details to understand the promotion guideline. Once a suitable offer is identified, the next step is to join the network. This involves a simple application process, after which users gain access to a unique link associated with the chosen offer. Preparing your promotion, crafting convincing copy with Rider.me. To effectively promote the chosen offer, compelling copy is essential. Utilizing a tool like Rider.me, an AI-powered platform for generating text, can streamline this process. Start by formulating a concise description of the offer. For example, if promoting a hair growth product, highlight its benefits for individuals dealing with thinning or balding hair. This tool assists in tailoring the language and tone to be convincing, ensuring your promotional content resonates with the target audience. Shortening your link, enhancing appeal with bit.ly long. Unwieldy links can appear spammy and deter potential clicks. To enhance the appeal of your promotion, consider using link shortening services like bit.ly. This not only makes the link more aesthetically pleasing, but also adds a layer of professionalism to your promotional efforts. A shorter, cleaner link is more likely to attract clicks. Creating your promotional post, leveraging Twitter X with your unique shortened link in hand. The next step is to choose a platform for promotion. Twitter, often referred to as X, proves to be an effective choice for its hashtag-driven discovery mechanism. Craft a compelling post using the generated copy and include an attention-grabbing image. The image should align with the offer, visually reinforcing the message of the promotion. Maximizing visibility, the power of hashtags. Hashtags play a crucial role in amplifying the visibility of your promotional post. Research and select relevant hashtags that align with the offer. While it's advisable to include multiple hashtags, be mindful of Twitter's character limit. A strategic use of hashtags ensures your post reaches a broader audience interested in the topic or niche. Conclusion: a sustainable strategy for online earnings. In summary, delving into the click-to-earn strategy through CPA platforms opens up a promising avenue for individuals aiming to monetize their online endeavors. By grasping the intricacies of CPA platforms, selecting fitting offers on PAPlatforms, creating persuasive content with Rider, and utilizing the outreach of Twitter X, users can access a potentially lucrative income stream. The adaptability of this method allows for seamless integration into various niches, establishing it as a sustainable approach for online earnings. As you embark on this venture, continuously fine-tune your promotional techniques, explore diverse offers, and remain attentive to emerging opportunities.